All right. The next one is proven over time. It's proven. Proven. I'm gonna stop writing so long because I'm that's a giant sentence. Right? It's proven for thousands and thousands of years. Everyone knows that. Like from biblical times, Jesus, they all moved, everybody moved, cavemen moved, Adam and Eve did their thing, left the garden and left to go do what? Find some real estate. So it's already proven. People understand it. And for multifamily real estate, housing. People need housing. AI can't AI it away. Tech can't tech it away. Bitcoin can't Bitcoin it away. None of that stuff. People will always need a place to live. So real estate as an asset class to be able to invest your money is a proven asset class. We all need this, and there's different versions of it. There's not all real estate is created equal. I'm talking about multifamily housing, real estate that is in multifamily, 100, 200, 300 unit buildings, that buildings that are at scale. All right. So the next one, it's easy to finance. Easy to finance. I'll just do that. Easy to finance it. Now we're talking about good debt. Yes, you can get good debt. You can get 65, 70% debt, very low interest rates, but it's easy. A lender's going to look and go, yeah, that makes sense. Why? Because it's a real asset. Do I have real on here? Yeah, not yet. Anyways, because it's easier to get a loan for something real so that loan is backed by, which is easier to get the financing for it, by a piece of a real asset. So it's way easier to get the financing for that. Like we said, go to the bank and try to get financing for your stock. That's a piece of paper or it's digital. It's not as hard, it's not as easy to finance something like that because it's not real to any lender.